In this video, I'm going to show you how to add variants to Shopify. Start by clicking on Products from the menu on the left side of your screen. This will show you all the products currently listed in your store. If you want to add a new product and include variants during that process, you can do so by clicking the Add Product button at the top right corner of your screen. The process for adding variants is built into the product creation page. However, if you want to add variants to an existing product, click on that specific product, then scroll down until you find the Variants section. Click on Add Options in this section. You'll notice that Shopify suggests color as a default variant option for this specific product. If you're adding variants based on color, you can choose that directly. But if you need a different type of variant and it's not listed over here, click on Create Custom option. Begin by typing in the name of the option, such as size, if you're offering different sizes. Then, under Option Values, enter the specific values you want to offer, such as small, medium, and large. Once you've entered all the desired values, click Done. This will create the variant options, and you'll now see a list of individual variants based on the choices you entered. You can specify the inventory quantity for each variant and assign different prices if needed. After setting everything up, click Save at the top of the screen. Now, if you visit your store page and refresh it, you'll see the variant options have been added. Now, switching between different variants adjusts the price accordingly if you've set variant-specific pricing. And this is how you can add variants in Shopify.